Wine is always good. Doesn't matter what time of day it is, but wine is always good. And particularly wine like this. I don't know how much this bottle costs, but oh my God, it's perfect. Fresh shrimp from, yes. Good shrimp?
Good, good. Only for you, fresh fish.
Only fresh fish?
Only fresh fish. For you, yeah.
Really good food and really great ingredients that are fresh. And you can't get anything better than these ingredients. In Sicily, they're perfecto.
Really foggy day today outside. Amazing. Can't see anything. But we managed to get down. Joan and me, we went down to, we had to go get coffee anyway. And our favorite coffee shop was open, and it is called, what's our favorite coffee shop again? Manic, right? Manic. Very nice place. A good cup of coffee there. And so I'm prepping for tonight, which is oranges for after dinner to cleanse the palate. Bell peppers in olive oil and lime, lemon juice, sorry. Lemon juice, a little salt, a little pepper. Okay. Tomatoes, again, olive oil, pepper, salt, pepper, okay? And plus, I'm marinating a little bit of carrots, a little bit of onions, a little bit of cucumbers, and then marinating in salt and mother vinegar. Oh, it's going to be good. Now, those are the ingredients that are going to go on top of a salad. The salad I'll make later on once everything is ready. We're ready to sit down and eat. And so that's going to be perfect. Plus, cut up an avocado right at the end to also add on top of the salad. So, these shrimp here, locally bought, right? Yeah, of course from Rosario, our fishmonger, but caught right in the bay over there, in the Ionian Bay. Sea, whatever. And we're going to do these heads as well, but I always do them separately. Not everybody likes them, and they do create a really nice taste. So, I've got the little bit of olive oil, but this is done in butter. See? And in go the garlic. Garlic, butter. Now this you have to be careful. That's why I took it off, because it just needs to simmer in its own. It's just a little bit of heat. That's it. Now, because these have to go in for quite a while, these go into the butter and the garlic. And you just cover the lid. And I usually wait about 5 to 10 minutes. 5 minutes, I sort of start stirring it around, and those heads come out just absolutely superb.
Montepulciano from Tuscany, a gift from Andrea and Lara. It's a very special wine in 2019. So, anyways, I'm going to open that.
It's the top wine of the year, actually. That wine right now.
Okay. I'm going to pour some on there.
Oh, the nose. Taste?
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh. That is light and very tasty. Tasty. Like Chloe, our great-granddaughter, would say, tasty. Wine is always good. And this is a superb red light wine, and that's why we're having it with a little bit of shrimp. taste at least one a little bit. Oh. Hey, I'm not going to fry these today. I'm going to put them in the air dryer. I've done them before in the air dryer and they just come out so delicious. All they're done is marinated in a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of fresh. Oh, the lemons around here are so good. Joan is doing yoga, which is a very good thing for her. Probably should be for me too, but I'm gonna place this in the air dryer and I'll set it up in a little bit, but just put these in. That's all this. Not to make sure you, about every 5 minutes you gotta turn it around and do whatever you need to do. So, turn it on. It's a pretty neat tool. And you go 180 and I go 5 minutes at a time. So I can turn them and they don't overdo. That's what you gotta be. You just have to be that careful. So, yes, and of course, wine. You can't beat it. It's always really damn good. 5 minutes it was. Now I take this out and you just turn. You make sure you have to turn it because it'll only maybe take another 5 minutes. Then this puppy's done. That's why you always have to check 5 minutes, every 5 minutes. Wow. Okay, Joan is going to taste the shrimp, but wine is always good. You see hear the beep? That's been the second 5 minutes. I'm going to take that out. Okay. Oh yeah, baby. Those puppies look good. Yeah.
Hot.
Okay, wine is always good, Johnny?
Cheers. Wine is always good.
Yes, here, come and take it.
Wonderful.
Nice, eh?
Perfect.
That's in the air dryer. It's time for the salad. Everything else is ready. Joni's setting the table. We've already got some lettuce in there. I just cut it up a little bit. Yes. So now, in here, I don't add any lemon or lime or anything like that for now, because I have already made the tomato. So you just kind of put the tomato sauce onto there. It just works really nice, like that. The red bell peppers also a little bit. And this all has already nice dressings on it. Okay, put that on the table. You can put this for after. Oranges for after, yes. And of course, that also goes on there. Just a little bit like this. And if we want more, Junior, put that on the table, please. This is just, oh, look at how good that's looking. Oh, just fantastic. And Joni, this can go on the table. And I'm just going to do the avocados in. And so I'm just getting the avocados ready, and I'm going to put them in a bowl. So we'll see you at the table. When food looks this good, it's hard not to eat it.
Yes.
And Joan?
Everything is so good and healthy. Green salad with all the toppings.
Right.
Tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, avocado, and a beautiful dressing, some green lettuce, and basically shrimp.
Yes,
So it's going to be amazing.
I know.
Wonderful.
And then finishing off the evening with a little bit of orange. Oh, nice, eh? Ciao.